Hey guys, so we're gonna unbox it. There's a Kendama in there. There's a Kendama. There's gonna be a Kendama here, of course. Because we checked it on this one. Just check it there. And then it's, let's see. There's my own Kendama. There's my own Kendama. There's my own. Guys, this is my own Kendama, of course. This is my own Kendama. So we unboxed the Kendama, and also this is my first Kendama. See, this is my first Kendama. So can you see this? You may see this. So we got our first Kendama. Okay, we're gonna unbox this Kendama. Alright, I don't know where to put this, but I'll just... Okay, we're gonna unbox this Kendama. We're gonna unbox this Kendama. Okay. I got nothing to put, so I'll just put it here. And push pretty good. Okay, we're gonna unbox this Kendama because I got a mini course day for it's on April 24th. Okay. Let's see inside. And there it is. There it is. Let me be careful. There it is. We got this Kendama thing. It's, I don't know, is this TK16 or Kendama USA? Okay, we're gonna unbox. Okay, just wait. Just record video. So we're gonna get this scissors. Who is it? Oh, never mind. I thought that was my friend. Alright, so we're gonna get this. Alright, so we'll be back because I don't want to be embarrassed. Alright, we are back, but I didn't get scissors. So I'm gonna get it, so I'll skip this. Okay, so there it is, and yeah, we got our first. Alright, sorry about that. So I don't hear it, but I don't know, like real of course. Okay, we're gonna unbox this. I almost damaged the manual. Okay, and okay, we're okay. Let's put it here. That's right, we got our gold Kendama. Okay, so I'm gonna practice this, of course. We're gonna practice. I'm just looking at the camera. I know you may see this. And we got our own Kendama. Okay, so I'm gonna practice, but the next video tomorrow will be Skylanders, WAP Force, and also let me give it a try. Because I don't know, I gotta get my first Kendama. It looks really marvelous. It may see me, so it may see you. So I hope guys, thank you for watching. This video is called Unbox the Kendama. So guys, thank you for watching. We will see you next time. Bye.